Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Now here's the Santa boot. I'm going to show you how I made it using mostly Dollar Tree items. It's just one item is not from Dollar Tree, but I did turn it into a candy dish, or I'm going to add cookies to it later. But yes, I wanted to share this with you. Now if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. The main item for this is this water dispensing bowl for pets. You'll find this in the pet section. And I'm going to take that insulating foam that I use for my cupcake, and you would think I would learn to kind of like put gloves on, but no, not today. But it was fine. I'm just going to put some in the middle there. Just be sure to leave some space that you don't go too close to the plastic bottle. And you don't want to put too much because it does increase in size. And yeah, so you're just going to let that completely dry once you're done. I am making two boots for this. So I'm bringing in my other one here, and I'm going to do the same step for the other one. And once they're dry, I'm going to take this fabric, which is also from Dollar Tree. I will trim it down because of course it's too long, but I am going to wrap it around starting with the back of the boot. So starting from the back, like I said, and I'm just going to go in with hot glue, and I'm just going to wrap the entire thing. Now, before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on videos like this one. Now, once I've glued my fabric all around, I'm going to create a little dip. So I'm going to apply some hot glue there at the back of the foam. I did remove the bottle for this step, so I have space to work here. And then I'm just going to take the fabric and just kind of pull it to the back. That way it's nice and firm. And then I'm just going to hot glue as well the extra pieces onto the plastic bottle itself. And then I'm just going to cut down the extras. I know it looks like a huge mess right now, but trust the process. Now I'm just going to take this ribbon, which I got from Walmart. I believe last year it was like on clearance. But if you don't have this one, you can go ahead and use a stocking from Dollar Tree and just cut that white part off and use that instead. So that's another alternative if you don't have this ribbon. And I'm just going to measure and cut, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap the boot or the plastic bottle using hot glue. Then the last step for this is that we're going to take ribbon and just basically outline the bottom of the shoe. So I'm going in with this polka dot one that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start from the back all the way around. And this just gives it a nice little pop. It's like the finished touch. So yeah, so I think a ribbon is a must. Here's my second boot. I know it's not done, but let me share with you really quick how you can use it. You can use a hot tool and just cut the top there and maybe put a floral foam inside of the plastic bottle and turn it into a bouquet where you can use it like a centerpiece or just decoration, and or you can put gifts inside. So you can put a gift card on maybe a pick or something and then stick it through the floral foam with some flowers. So you can definitely make this as a gift instead. But what I did is I took this tray from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place it on the top using E6000 so it doesn't go anywhere, and I'm going to turn it into a candy dish or cookies later on. And here is the finished product. I definitely love the way it turned out. You wouldn't guess at all that this is like a Dollar Tree project that I just did here. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you guys. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And please be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.